Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by readying power and modes. Turn on the BT transmitter and set it to transmit mode. This is critical because TX versus RX changes behavior. Make sure both the transmitter and your headphones or speaker are charged to at least 50%. Low battery causes pairing failures. Once done, keep devices within 1 to 3 meters and disable any wired output on the source so the transmitter can take audio. Now move to pairing. Do not skip switching modes. You will pair the devices now, and here's how to make it reliable. Put the transmitter into pairing. The LED typically flashes rapidly. This indicates discoverable state. Then, place your headphones into pairing mode so they too are discoverable. On the source device, phone, TV, or PC, open Bluetooth settings and select the transmitter name as the output. Once paired, check for a solid LED and play a short test clip to confirm latency and volume. If audio is low, adjust source volume and codec settings. Finish by optimizing performance and preparing for issues. Check and select the best codec available. aptX low latency reduces sync delays. SBC is fallback, so you understand why sound may lag. Test the range by walking away until audio degrades, then note usable distance. If you hit problems, restart the transmitter, headphones, and source. Clear stored pairings on both ends and try again. One key troubleshooting tip. If the LED never moves from solid to flashing, power cycle the transmitter for 10 seconds and retry pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.